FIBA End of 1Q, Gilas Pilipinas leads Montenegro, 19-16. To kick off its second tune-up, Dwight Ramos and Jordan Clarkson lead the Philippines with 8 and 6 points, respectively. Nikola Vucevic paces the Montenegrins with 7 points, 6 rebounds, and 2 blocks. Gilas looking good, save for some turnovers, versus Montenegro. Vucevic up 19-11 in the first quarter. Dwight Ramos looks solid, and AJ Edo rebounding well. Gilas Pilipinas standing its ground so far against Montenegro with only a 42-44 deficit at the half. Jordan Clarkson with 18 for Gilas. Nikola Vucevic leads Montenegro with 7 6 rebs. Quarters, 19-16, 42-44, 64-76. 18 Montenegro habang nakatakdang tapusin ang kanilang huling build-up para sa FIBA World Cup 2023 na magsisimula sa ika-25 ng Agosto sa Philippine Arena. Ibang klaseng team iyon, mas malakas pa sila, European style. Nikola Vucevic is there, a bona fide NBA starter for his team, and some others, Reyes said. Diyan, mapapalaban talaga tayo, ngunit makikita natin, naghahanap kami na maglaro ng mas mahusay sa laro ng Montenegro kaysa sa ginawa namin ngayon. Ang closed-door tune-up match ay nakatakda sa 8 p.m. After third quarter, hindi na nakahabol ang Gilas sa malalaki at malakas at grabe ang depensa ng national team Montenegro at umiskor ang Gilas ng 23 points at 26 points naman ang Montenegro sa buong fourth quarter at ang final score 102-87. Huwag mo kalimutan mag-like, subscribe sa aking channel.